Hello everyone and welcome back to my YouTube channel with another useful and informative video. So guys, in this video I'm going to show you how can you cannot change the storefront information for your account at this time. So guys, if you're trying to change your country or region and you're facing this message again and again and you are unable to change your country or region on your Apple devices, here I will show you how can you fix it. So guys, for that you have to simply watch this video till the end. And first of all, go back to your home screen and now open settings in your device, and from here scroll it below and tap on general and tap on software update and make sure that you are using the updated version. And after this, go back and from here scroll it below and tap on date and time, and from here set your date and time from here and turn on the toggle for set automatically. So let's do this, and after this you have to simply go to your VPN and device management and make sure that there is no connected VPN in this device. So guys, do this and check if the problem is fixed or not, and if the problem is still there, then you have to simply open your Apple ID, and from here you have to simply go to your subscriptions from here. So let's go to your payment method or subscriptions, and from here you have to make sure that there is no unpaid subscription on this Apple ID. So guys, if there is any unpaid subscription on this Apple ID, then pay for it, and after this check if the problem is fixed or not, and if the problem is still there, then you have to simply open your Apple ID and from here scroll it below and sign out your Apple ID for one time. Before that you have to simply also remove your payment method as well. So guys, remove your payment method and from here scroll it below and sign out your Apple ID for one time, and after this force restart your device as well. So guys, force restart the device, and after this again sign in your Apple ID and add your payment method again. So guys, do this, and after this hopefully your problem will be fixed, and if the problem is still there, then you have to simply contact the Apple support team for further information and help, and after this hopefully they will try to fix this problem for you within 24 hours. So that's it for today's video. Hope this video helps you. Please like and subscribe to my YouTube channel as well. Thank you.